The question is, camel is supposed to transfer. Total 3,000 bananas are there. He's supposed to transport at a distance of 1,000 kilometers. He eats one banana per day. He eats one banana per kilometer of travel. Now, and maximum he can carry is 1,000 bananas. Now, if he starts with 1,000 bananas, when he will reach 1,000 kilometers, one banana 1 kilometer, he will be left out with 0 bananas. If he starts with 1,000 bananas and if he goes for 1,000 kilometers, per kilometer 1 banana, at the end is 0. We are just building up the logic here. So it's not possible that we start with this thing and we'll have something else here. Now, what else is possible is, let's say he goes 500 kilometers. He starts with maximum 1,000 bananas and he goes 500 kilometers. So in 500 kilometers, he is going to eat 500 bananas. But if he comes back 500 kilometer, for that also he will need 500 bananas. 500 kilometers, 500 to go and 500 to come back. Means even if he goes 500 and comes back, nothing will be left out. At the end, it will be 0. Now, what is the logic for the question? Now, when he has to travel 3,000 bananas, till the time bananas are 3,000, now what he can do? He starts with 1,000 bananas. He starts with 1,000 bananas, drops somewhere at point, let's say he is supposed to go from A to B, and he drops 1,000 bananas X kilometers up. Now, he ate something, he dropped some bananas and comes back. Now, he went, he came back. Again he takes 1,000 bananas, he drops some bananas and he comes back. And finally he takes some bananas and he reaches here. Means from point A to X, per kilometer he eats 5 bananas. Understand? He goes once, he comes back once. He goes once, he comes back once. And finally he goes here. So that's what total, what all he has got is per kilometer he eats 5 bananas. A to X, 1 kilometer travel, he needs to eat 5 bananas. I repeat, because bananas are 3,000, other way we'll try. Let's say he starts with 1,000 bananas. Enough of practice up till now. Let's say he starts with 1,000 bananas and he goes 1 kilometer. So he is going to eat 1 banana. He is left out with 99. But to come back 1 kilometer he will need 1 banana. So he will carry 1 banana with him and he will drop 998 bananas here. I repeat, he started with 1,000. He goes 1 kilometer, eats 1 banana, remaining 999. But to come back 1 kilometer, he needs 1 banana. So he will drop these many. Again, he takes 1,000 bananas. Total were 3,000. He goes 1 kilometer, eats 1 banana the same way, 999 remaining. Keeps 1 for coming back, drops 998 and comes back. Finally, he starts again with 1,000 bananas. And when he reaches here 1 kilometer, he has eaten up 1 banana. Now he does not need to go back. So in all, we got 998, 998 and 999, total 2995 bananas. Earlier were 3,000. To go 1 kilometer, he ate from 3,000 to 2995, he ate 5 bananas for 1 kilometer. Again, let's try 1 more kilometer. Now he has got 2995 bananas. Let's say from this stage, again he goes 1 kilometer. He starts with 1,000 bananas. He goes 1 kilometer. eats one banana. To go 1 kilometer, he needed one banana. He has got 9.99 to go 1 kilometer. But to come back, he will need 1 kilometer, one banana. So he drops 9.98. I repeat. He has got 2995. He starts with 1000. 1 kilometer he goes. 999 remaining. To come back 1 kilometer, he needs 1. So he drops 998. Comes back. Again he starts with 1000 bananas. Same way. 1 he has eaten up, 1 to come back. So he drops 99. So now remaining 995 he starts, because 1000 are not there. 1 kilometer he goes, eats up 1, but there is no need to come back. So 994 now. So total we got 998, 998 and 994. So total we got here is 2990. We have built up enough logic now. So that's what I was trying to tell. Let's say he goes from point A to point X, drops some bananas. 1000 he starts with, drops some, comes back. Going and coming back. 2 rounds. Again takes 1000, drops some, comes back. And again starts with 1000. So now in all he has taken 3 rounds. 3 rounds, that is going, coming back, going, coming back and going. Means from A to point X, any one point, he needs per kilometer 5 bananas. Now that's what we tried to explain here. Let's say he goes 1 kilometer, 1000 he starts, 999 remaining. But to come back 1 kilometer he needs 1, so he drops 998. 1000 again he starts, goes 1 kilometer, coming back 1 kilometer, so 2 bananas, remaining 998. 1000 he starts, takes 999, there is no need to come back. So per kilometer he ate up 5 bananas. Again this ways. Now till he is left out with 2000 bananas, per kilometer he will need 5 bananas. From 3000 to 2000 bananas, 3000 bananas to 2000 bananas. Till this he needs to have 5 ferries. Till 2000 bananas are left, what he needs to do is go 1000, come back, take 1000, come back, drop some and take 1000. Means for per kilometer there are in all 5 rounds. So from 3000 to 2000 bananas, per kilometer he needs 5 bananas. 1 kilometer he needs 5 bananas. From 3000 to 2000 per kilometer is 5. So how many kilometers is it A to X? That's what we are trying to understand. Now 3000 bananas he has. Now per transportation of A to X per kilometer he needs 5 bananas. So let's say this is X kilometers. Till this it is X kilometers from 3000 to 2000. So per kilometer he will eat 5 bananas. Let's say this distance is X. Per kilometer 5 bananas. So till from 3000 to 2000 per kilometer 5 bananas go. X is 200. Means simply what is going to happen is from point A till point X he starts with 3000, he is left out with 2000, and this distance is going to be 200 kilometer. Understand quickly how it will work. He starts with 1000, 200 kilometer he goes, he is left out with 800. To come back 200 kilometers he will need 200 bananas, so he drops 600. He drops 600, comes back with 200 bananas to travel 200 kilometers. Again he goes 1000, he has got 800. To come back 200 kilometers he needs 200 bananas, so he drops 600. He comes back with 200 bananas. He starts with 1000, he goes 200 kilometers and he reaches here with 800. So anyways he goes 1 kilometers or something. From 3000 to 2000 he started with 1000, goes 200 kilometers, 800. 200 bananas he ate, 200 to come back, so he drops 600. Again starts with 1000, 800, 200 to come back, 600 he drops, comes back. Finally he starts with 1000, he has got till here 800. So now total he has got 2000 bananas. Simple way was there. From 3000 to 2000, 1 kilometer he needs 5 bananas. So 3000 x kilometers he will need 5x bananas, left out this. So he will be required to go 200. Now after 200 kilometers he has got 2000 bananas. Now from 2000 bananas he started with 3000 bananas. 200 kilometers he has gone. He is left out with 2000 bananas. Now for 2000 bananas what he needs to do is take 1000, drop something, come back and take 1000. Means per kilometer now he needs to go, come back and go. So simply per kilometer he just needs 3 bananas now till the bananas are 1000. I'll try to explain once more. What did I say? Now he started with 3000, now 2000 are there, already 200 kilometers is done. He started with point X, point A, now he has already reached X. Let's say he starts with 1000, goes 1 kilometer. 999 left out, but to come back he needs 1 banana, so he drops 998. Again takes 1000, goes 1 kilometer, 999 left out. So total he started with 2000. After 1 kilometer from 2000 it has become, from 2000 now it has become 1997. That's what I was trying to say. From this thing till he is left out with 1000 bananas, let's say point Y, per kilometer he will need for 1 kilometer 3 bananas. Why will he need 3 bananas? Going, coming back and going, per 1 kilometer he is going to eat up 3 bananas. This will continue till he is left out with 1000 bananas, from 2000 to 1000. So what do we do here is, let's say he had 2000 bananas, let's say Y kilometer he goes, drops and comes back, and he is left out with 1000. 3y is 1000, so y is 1000 upon 3, or we can say 333.33. So 2000 he had, per kilometer he needs 3 bananas, so what all we get is he needs to go these many kilometers. Check it, what did I say here? What all we need is, we started from 3000, after 200 kilometers he has got 2000. Now we need to be left out with 1000, the distance we got 1000 upon 3 kilometers. Check it. He starts with 1000 bananas. He goes this much distance. So he is left out with minus this 1000 by 3, 2000 by 3. He is left with that. But to come back, he needs again, to come back this much, he needs these many bananas. So he just drops 1000 by 3 bananas. I repeat, he starts with 1000 bananas. He goes 1000 by 3 kilometers. These many bananas over, bananas left. But to come back this much, he needs these many bananas. So he is going to drop remaining 1000 by 3 bananas. These many bananas he drops here. Now again he starts with 1000 bananas. He goes 1000 by 3 kilometers. So remaining are 2000 by 3. So total we got 1000 by 3 plus 2000 by 3. Total we got is 3000 by 3, 1000 bananas. Now he has got 1000 bananas. And last part, what he does now. We know from point A to X, 200 kilometers, per ferry, per kilometer he needed 5 bananas. So 3000 and he got 2000. Now from point X to Y till he is left out with 1000, per kilometer he needs 3 bananas. So this came out. Total distance was 1000. Already this plus this 1600 by 3 is done. So this remaining distance is 1400 by 3 kilometers. Remaining distance is 1400 by 3 out of total 1000. He starts with 1000, eats up these many bananas. So he's left out with 1600 by 3 bananas, or we can say 533.33. 3000 he started with, goes 200 kilometers, 5 ferries we had. So 3000 means mine per kilometer 5 ferries, we need this. So we got 200. Now he's left out with 2000. Now he needs 3 ferries, go, come back and go. So from 2000 y kilometer per kilometer 3, left out with 1000, y we got 1000 by 3. Now these many kilometers done, remaining 1000. Total distance is this much, remaining distance is this. Starts with 1000, eats up this much, left out with finally these many bananas. Finally these many bananas he will be left out.